Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the typing indicator on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're on the news feed, tap the message icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your chat list. Now, tap on the specific conversation where you want to hide the typing indicator. Once you're in the chat, tap on the person's name at the top of the screen to open the chat settings. Next, find and tap on Privacy and Safety. Under the Who Can See Your Activities section, you'll see the typing indicator option. Simply tap the toggle switch next to it to turn it off. Once it's disabled, your friend won't be able to see when you're typing a message. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the typing indicator on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.